How is your first highway shifting up on a hill in a new truck?
It's getting used to it. It's nice. It'll be a different ride, I tell you that.
Are you in the highest it can go?
No. Not one more here.
You all dressed up nice too.
His armrest really are short.
Where was that button at?
All the way at the bottom is a bar.
Alright. Have to work on that one later.
That damn bug in the windshield already.
Oh! I see it. Sorry, about to say we forgot something.
Okay, so I can float down. Engine brakes quiet in this truck. Wow.
You know what that? You know what you are right now?
Trucker.
A happy trucker. Doesn't rock or jerk as much.
Now I just gotta learn the floating of the gears, that's all. It'll take a little bit before I learn it.